This is our English 1 Week 10 check-in. If you submitted your Essay 3 plan on Sunday, then make sure that you wait for feedback on that, and if necessary, make sure that you revise. So if you have full points, then that means that everything's good, but if you have partial credit, then make sure that you look at the feedback and revise if needed, and that is going to make sure that you're all set up for your outline. If you are not all caught up on your Essay 3 prep, make sure that you do that. So that includes your topic, your brainstorm, and your Essay 3 plan. And the sooner you get that done, the better, because as I said, the outline is going to be due this coming weekend, so you want to make sure that you're as caught up as possible. This week's blocks are Unit 3 Block 5 due on Wednesday and Unit 3 Block 6 due on Sunday. An important due date for some of you this week will be the drop deadline on November 8th. So if you are concerned about whether or not you'll be able to pass the class, it's really important that if you don't think you're going to pass, to drop the class before November 8th. This will make sure that you have a W rather than an F on your transcript. While it is possible to make up an F, it is a lot harder. It's a lot easier to make up a W just by retaking the class next semester. So again, if you're someone that is concerned about passing the class, this is the time to figure it out. So today what I want to do is review some of the upcoming essay prep assignments that you're going to be doing this week and next. So first, make sure that you are all caught up on your essay prep assignments. So this means you have your topic submitted, you did the brainstorming, and you submitted the plan. I will be grading the plans today that you guys submitted over the weekend, and you'll have feedback on those by the end of the day. If you do not have full points on your plan, please make sure to revise. It should be super easy to revise, but it is really important to do that before you start on your outline. So your outline is going to be due this coming Sunday, so you do have some extra time to get it done. The outline is going to only be one assignment, but what I've done here is I have divided it up into different sections, so it's not just a big, massive text that you have to read through. So you're going to start at the top here, and this is where you're going to download the Google Doc that you're going to be filling out, and there's also a tutorial video here. So if you go here, tutorial video, there's a link to the Google Doc, and the Google Doc is going to look like this. So very similar to what you've done so far. It will go over exactly what you're going to be doing for this outline and for this essay, and that's all going to be explained in the tutorial video. So I don't want to go and redo that right now. So you're going to download the outline, watch the tutorial, understand kind of what you're doing, and then these 3 pages here are explaining the different types of paragraphs that you're going to be writing. So you have here a setting the groundwork, which is basically you're going to introduce the video to me and explain exactly how it works. Then you're going to have your 2 tactics that you chose in your Essay 3 plan, your 2 messages that you chose in your plan, and then you are going to submit that at the end. So just like with our last essay, you're going to have different support for the different types of paragraphs. So for the tactics paragraphs, you're not going to do research for those. You're going to be doing a textual analysis where you show me how that tactic is used and why it is being used in the different scenes. For the messages, you are going to be researching those, so you'll have research support just like we've done with Essay 2. And then when you're all done, you're going to submit here at the bottom. So you're not going to have to submit all of these things. It's just the last assignment, but these are meant to be helpful information and to provide examples as well. So hopefully that makes sense. And then once you submit your outline next weekend, you'll get feedback on that, and then you'll be good to get started on your essay. If you have any questions along the way, please let me know, but hopefully this provides a good basis of information so that you know what you're doing, and you can let me know if you have any questions.